All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this first one, which is ratios, rates, and conversions. If you're watching all these in sequential order, you'll see like my little cup, here. And for all of my students who were in my IM1 class, out of convenience, again, I went to Chipotle because it was easy from my phone, and I could go pick it up and get back to recording your guys' videos. So let's go ahead and get started. These conversions are really like changing from feet to yards, or days to minutes to seconds. And so I'm not going to do a whole lot of these because I think once you do a handful of them, you get the idea. So I don't really have to do a whole bunch. But like if I were to look at this one here, centimeters to kilometers, I have 1,000 centimeters, and then times 1 meter has 100 centimeters in it, and then 1 kilometer has 1,000 meters in it. Oops, I put like 10,000. And what you end up with is 1/100 kilometers. So when you do these, the units have to cancel out. So centimeters cancel out with centimeters, meters cancel out with meters, and I'm left with kilometers. That's the idea. Okay, so then 45 feet, there are how many feet in a yard? There are 3 feet in 1 yard. So my feet cancel out, and I'm left with 15 yards. Inches to centimeters is a weird conversion. So 42 inches, 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. So the inches cancel out, and I'm taking my 42 and I'm multiplying it by 2.54. So 8, 10, 5, 0, 6, 1, 2, 10. So 8, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, and it's there. So I think I messed that up somehow. Did I mess that up? I'm going to double check this where I have a little bit more room. Let's do it up here. 2.54 and 42. 8, 0, 1, 5, 0. Oh yeah, I put the 0 in the wrong spot. Just kidding. 0, 6, 1, 1, 2, 8, 10. So 8, 6, 6, 0, 1. And there's 2 decimal places. So 106.68 centimeters. Okay. And now let's look at miles per hour to feet per second. We'll look at 13. And you could do these like, which one has the fastest speed. You just do all 3 of them separate and see which one is bigger. Okay. So 45 miles per 1 hour. And then I have 1 hour is 60 minutes. So I'm going to get rid of the hours first. I'm going all the way to seconds, so then that way 1 minute has 60 seconds in it. And then I'm going to deal with the miles. So 1 mile has 5,280 feet. And then I'm canceling out miles, canceling out hours, canceling out minutes. So I'm left with multiplying all this together and dividing by 3,600 here. When you do all the multiplication, you will get 66 feet per second. Okay? And that's mainly your, brief little thing for rates and conversions. Go ahead and pause the video right now, and then we'll come back and we'll do a handful of questions. I'm only going to do, looks like 4 of them. The ones I wanted to do, let's switch the page here. The We don't need that page either. The ones we wanted to do 1, and let's do 6, 16, and 18. Okay? Alright, so go ahead and pause the video, and then I'm going to get a little drink here of my iced tea, and then we will be back. Alright, so we are back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do my little conversions here. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I want to go inches to centimeters, so 12 inches. And then 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. Oh, my handwriting's bad. Okay, inches cancel out. I'm taking 12 and multiplying it by 2.54. So 80154528403. 2 decimal places. So 30.48 centimeters. Okay, days to hours. 7 days. 1 day is 24 hours. So I'm taking 7 times 24, and I get 24, 7, 8, 2, 168. 168 hours. And I'm doing all the arithmetic just so that I can show you guys that you can do this without a calculator. Okay, find each unit rate. Dollars per pound. So 9.95 divided by 5 pounds would give me how much per pound. So 9.95 divided by 5, 1 by 4, 9, 9. Chipotle wants me to rate their order. Let's see, 9 times 5, 45. I'll forgive them. They forgot my drink, but that's okay. They gave me one anyways. 9, and then here's my decimal point here. So $1.99 per pound. Okay. Rocky earned $102 in 8 hours. So 102. Time is always in the denominator. So time is typically your what we call the independent variable, and so we always put time in the denominator. I'd say 95% of the time. I don't know. Dr. Gutman could probably tell you better. How much we always put time in the bottom. Okay, so 8. So not 2. Just kidding. 8. Sorry, I keep erasing and then it shakes. 1, 8, 2, 2, 8 into 22 is 2. So 16, 60. And then 7, 56, 45. So $12.75 per hour. Okay? And that finishes this section.